So we're on historic Route 66 right now. So I'm gonna take a picture of a few of these things over here. Let me show you. See?
Lezter.
Alright, so Route 66 starts in Chicago, goes all the way down to Oklahoma, through Texas, through New Mexico, through Arizona, all the way to LA. So we just left Albuquerque and we're on our way to go to the Arizona border. And yeah, that's my update for right now. So we bought some food from this Indian Arts Center, and we have, this was a taco, but I ate half of it. It's got like meat, cheese, lettuce. It's like Navajo flatbread. And then this is also Navajo flatbread, but it's with cinnamon and sugar and stuff. It's kind of like a churro, but flat. I don't know how else to describe the taste. It's pretty good. It's yummy. This has like beans and cheese and lettuce. And it's really greasy. Oh, and beef. It's quite good. So, when you're going through Arizona and New Mexico, you can get some of this food. Yeah. Tell me if you've ever had it.